Hello and welcome to video 1 of
200,000.
30 to 200,000, somewhere in that range.
on my beginner GameMaker tutorial series. We'll be covering things like objects, object events, player movement, and from then on we'll move on to sprites. In the second video we'll be working with directional sprites, so it's related to player movement in the sense that sprites will be changing based on the direction of the player's movement. From then on, we'll do creating objects with structs and constructors. Don't worry, I will explain to you what structs and constructors are. This tutorial series is made with the assumption that you already come from some sort of a programming background, like say Python. Next we'll be doing collisions, inventory, which by the way collisions will be related to, of course, all of these will be related, which we'll go into detail when we cross that bridge. The inventory system will be its own separate video, though it is related to the structs and constructors. Next we'll do dialog boxes, vertical and horizontal menus with submenus, and related to those last two, NPC interactions, which will also be related to the collisions video. While this is not the most feature-complete type of game, this tutorial series is meant for you to get started and build off of what these videos can teach you. This tutorial is specific to RPGs, so if you're looking for anything like a platformer, I would suggest you look elsewhere. At least when it comes to things regarding player movement, collisions, maybe inventory, stuff like that. I look forward to getting started on these videos and receiving feedback.